Hello again, here we are in the Bucksum field kitchen. Another one of our simple dishes. We're going to do a chard tapas dish. So we've got a different selection of chard leaves. Today we're not using the leaves, we're using the stalks. So the tapas is just with the stalks. And we use a variety of different colours. We'll prep them down and then we're just going to deep fry them once we've rolled them in egg and flour. So let's start off by getting Tracy to prep me some
turn that down a
bit. So on the stove we've just heated some oil up ready.
Good for them. So we've just given these a quick rinse, just in case there are any spiders and bugs hiding in them. Oops. We're growing chard here all year round, really.
All year round.
So tiny baby leaves in the salad. And then as the season goes on and the temperature is a bit warmer and the daylight length is a bit longer, the chard gets bigger and bigger until in the autumn the leaves can be sort of a couple of feet long with really chunky stalks.
So once we've got our stalks prepared,
That's
take some
quite warm.
plain flour and then we're going to add to that a little bit of smoked paprika just to give a little bit of zing to the batter. A little bit of salt and pepper. In the other bowl we will crack a couple of eggs.
So you might get away with one big egg, but we've just got some pullets eggs today, haven't we? So they're quite small.
Just quickly break those yolks up.
Want to mix this together a bit?
Tracy just to mix the seasoning and the paprika in the flour. And then we can just quickly coat our stalks with some egg and then cover them with a bit of flour and with the preheated oil, and then deep fry them. Well, shallow fry really, you don't need a lot of oil. And the other one.
So I'm just giving them a bit of a flip about in there.
So basically we're just going to hopefully get coated with a bit of flour. And once you get the oil quite warm, it'll only take a minute to fry.
Wow, okay, that's a bit warmer than I was anticipating. So as you can see, they're frying off really quickly, really nicely.
Nice.
Yep.
Just keep coating them in flour and keep putting them through the oil.
So we like to eat these as a kind of side accompaniment to paella. Really bright and colourful. And don't forget, you can look up the salsa verde recipe if you want to know what to do with the leaves that you've stripped from the top. Oh, look at those.
Yeah, bring those around the front and show them off.
I am. Oh, I'll let them out.
One more batch.
So I've just, oops, patted them off a bit on the kitchen towel, and then there we go. Nice, served with a quick squeeze of lemon.
Job done.